If your legs feel weaker than they should, don't stop watching. Most seniors quit right before their legs start improving, and today's day 17 is where that changes. Welcome back, everyone. Today is day 17 of our Senior Fitness series. If you are new, feel free to join us from day 1. We will do 5 easy leg exercises that will strengthen your legs and improve balance. Take it slow, rest if needed, and enjoy every movement. Exercise 1. Sit to stand. Chair exercise. To begin, place a sturdy chair against a wall to prevent slipping. Sit comfortably with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently on your thighs or on the chair for support. Now we start our repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your strength building. 5, 6, 7, 8. Every rep makes you steadier. 9, 10, 11, 12. Most people stop here, but you are still going strong. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice how your legs are waking up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent work. Staying until the end matters because each repetition strengthens your legs and helps maintain independence. Take a deep breath. How is everyone feeling? Share your experience in the comments. Remember, slow and steady is perfect, and every rep counts toward lasting strength and confidence. Exercise 2. Heel raises. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, shoulders relaxed, and spine straight. Hold on to the back of a sturdy chair for support if needed. Now we will begin our heel raises slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice your balance improving. 5, 6, 7, 8. Skipping this step slows your progress. Keep going gently. 9, 10, 11, 12. Every raise strengthens your calves and supports walking. 13, 14, 15, 16. Most people stop here, but you are staying strong. 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel your stability increasing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful work. Keep movements slow and controlled, taking your time with each lift. This exercise warms your legs and ankles, preparing you for the next movement. Stay with me as we transition to our third exercise for more leg strength and balance. Exercise 3. Side leg lifts, standing or chair support. Stand beside a sturdy chair, holding lightly for balance. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Lift one leg slowly to the side, keeping it straight and controlled. 1, 2, 3, 4. This strengthens muscles that help you stay independent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Most people miss this one, but not you. 9, 10, 11, 12. Feel your leg muscles waking up. 13, 14, 15, 16. Every lift improves balance and stability. 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice even small improvements as you go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent work. Take a moment to feel your legs working and your balance improving. Staying consistent with this exercise will make standing, walking, and daily activities easier. Keep going slow and steady as progress comes one lift at a time. Exercise 4. Knee extensions, seated. Sit comfortably on a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly on the sides of the chair for support. Slowly extend one leg forward until it is parallel to the floor, then lower it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow and steady builds lasting strength. 5, 6, 7, 8. Even one extra rep counts. 9, 10, 11, 12. Most people stop here, but you are still going strong. 13, 14, 15, 16. Feel your quadriceps working. 17, 18, 19, 20. How are you feeling today? From which country are you joining us? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent effort. Take a deep breath. Share your experience in the comments. Every repetition helps maintain independence, improves knee strength, and makes daily activities easier. Exercise 5, marching in place, seated or standing. Sit or stand with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. If needed, hold the back of a sturdy chair for support. Begin lifting your knees slowly, alternating legs as if marching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your legs waking up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Staying with me here is where real progress happens. 9, 10, 11, 12. Most people stop here, but you are still moving strong. 13, 14, 15, 16. Every lift helps circulation and leg strength. 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice how your body feels energized. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful work. Remember, you can rest anytime and take it slow. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can exercise together and encourage each other toward lasting strength and balance. Fantastic job completing all exercises. How are you feeling today? Comment below and share your experience. Remember to share this video with your fellow seniors. See you tomorrow for day 18 of our senior fitness journey.